guys, it's Lisa Marie. I'm back with take 2 with cards in the car. Facebook is acting crazy. I don't know. It wouldn't even let me like change settings. It was all kinds of crazy. Well, so what I was saying is if you don't see the red button up in the corner, that means you're watching the replay, and that's totally fine. Just leave me a little message. Let me know that you were here. If you do pop on, please say hello and share the video. That would be awesome so that your other crafty friends can see us. If you don't have a demonstrator, I'd love to help you out. My link is up in the description of this video, and it's just lisamariesmith.stampinup.net is my store for shopping, but you can also send me a private message and all that kind of good stuff if you need anything. Oh, it's not gonna work. Why isn't it working? Okay, I'm just gonna record this and then I'll just post it. So sorry, maybe I'll pop back up, I'm not sure. So we're gonna make this card. I'm gonna turn this down. We're using Harvest Hellos. Bring this down, try not to pop my phone out of the thing like I tend to do. Let's see if I can bring this camera over a little bit more. See, the camera is there. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. I think I centered, oh yeah, I think I put my guy over too far today. All right, we'll see. All right, we're gonna fold this guy in half. This is Night of Navy, and it's just 4 1/4 by 11. Like that. Let me see about my other pieces. I probably forgot a piece. What do you think? Oh no, there it is. I got some very vanilla that we're gonna work on. And I have some apples we're gonna do. We're gonna stamp them on, oh, what is that called? Granny Apple Green, and on Real Red, and on Daffodil Delight. And then we'll punch them out. Now, a little tip with this punch, that is if you have too big of a piece of paper, you're gonna waste paper and you're gonna end up cutting this out when you don't need it. So we're just going to use a 2-inch strip, and then that avoids all of that. Don't mind my bouncy table. So we need a green one, and then we need a red one. And, oh, I don't like him. We're gonna do him again. He had a little smudge in the middle. Oh, that one's better. And I could always turn it over if I really hated it, but I didn't dislike it enough to do that. So we're gonna ink that one up. Oh, see, I don't know what I'm doing. This is what happens when you stamp on the car. You get to see all my mistakes. There we go, that's good. All right, I'm gonna close this up just so that I don't make a big mess with it. And then we're going to punch these out. Oh, hey, Brenda, hey. I'm glad that I'm at least showing up now. I don't know why it was showing low connection when I have a perfectly good connection. So I'm just setting these in here and see how I'm not gonna waste a bunch of paper. I might get a few little pieces, but nothing like I was gonna get if I did it on a bigger piece of paper. Let's do this red one. I always do it upside down, then that way you can get it, and then you can give it just a gentle squeeze to hold it and get it where you want, and then you squeeze. That one popped out a little leaf, and that's okay. Oops. All right, we're gonna go like that. Get these guys all back together. So then what I have, I have made a little crate. Cute, right? And so I did that with the rectangle dies. I'm pulling all my pieces out, sorry. With the rectangle dies, I did that. And then I ran it through the wood grain, I think I'm doing it right, the wood grain folder. So I made it all texturized. So we're gonna grab, oh, I didn't bring words. Let's see, what should we put on here? Hey there, pumpkin will not work. We might just leave it blank on the front. Let's not put anything on the front. We'll just put a little, this guy's gonna go here and he's gonna get a little bow. Let's see if we have a tag. I might have a tag. Oh, I do. Got a cute little tag. I like forgot all kinds of stuff this morning when I left the house. We leave and go to therapy. Well, Alyssa went to work for a little while and then therapy, and so I've just been running. I got to visit with some really sweet friends this morning, which was kind of nice. I don't get to do that very often. It was fun though. And we're just gonna write on here. Let's just write, I like 5 cents. I don't know why. It's just what comes to mind when I do it. 5 cents. And I'm just using my little Stampin' Up pen. Isn't that cute? So we're gonna use that. We're going to take our apples and we're gonna go and get them lined up in here the way that we want them. I want him behind. I think we're gonna put him like that, and then you will go like that, I think. I'll grab my glue. I just had to make sure I forgot to silence my phone. All right, we're gonna stick this guy on. Actually, we're gonna stick that guy on. Stick some adhesive on there, get you out of the way. We got one like that. And he's gonna fit right. I think I almost might do him like that. I'm not sure yet. Because then this guy's gonna go here. No, I do want him behind. I'm gonna lift him up just a little tiny bit because I put too much glue there. We're gonna put some more here, like that. It's my little crate of apples for the fall. And look, oh look, we could use this side. I had done it on the wrong side, but I kind of like it. Let's use that. So all that's different about it is that it's more bumpy here and it's a little bit more flat, but it still works. I forgot that was there. We're gonna use it, yay! Since I didn't bring that. That Harvest Blessings comes from, what is the name of that set? It's the one, it was in an occasions book last year. Country Home, maybe? It's got like the tin, the tin milk pitcher thing that you can put flowers in. It's really cute. I can't remember the name of it. That might be it. All right, we're gonna go like that. Then we're gonna add the little bow. Hope I don't need those dimensionals because I just chucked them on the floor, way on the other side, like I can't even get to them. All right, we're gonna get that guy in there. And we're gonna grab this guy, give him a glue dot. I might even lift this guy up just a little bit because I want it to look like, I put that through the hole when I really didn't, because I was not gonna try to feed that through there. So instead I make my little bow and then stick it right on there. Let's see, I think we might be able to grab some apple stem and a leaf, and I think that'll be good. So we're going to take this, we need a block. You know what, I was cleaning my car the other day and found a block in here that I apparently left behind after I cards in the car. Let's stamp a couple of these, I think. We're gonna get these leaves on there and then we're just going to slide them into the punch. There he is. Again, upside down, and just do it so that you can get that in there. So this lady just pulled up next to me. She's waiting for her child also. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she thinks I'm crazy over here talking to myself making a card. I'm gonna do the same thing, get another one. And I got one more, because I would think I'm gonna be able to get one on every apple there. Pretty sure. Tell you in a sec. Let's see. All right, we got that. I'm gonna close that up. And I'm gonna grab, actually, you know what, I wanna use that. So I'm gonna take this guy and set him there and attempt to not lose him. Then I had a piece of brown. Here he is. This is a little leftover brown. We're gonna stamp that stem because I am going to hand cut that because I had some, oh no, I can get it in the punch. There's a punch. There's a punch. So I stamped them and then just line it up in there. Again, you're gonna get some little pieces just because it's the nature of the beast here. You know, trying to get these little stems in there. Ooh, there's another one. This piece of paper apparently obviously was not the right size. I should have made it a little bit smaller, but like I said, I forgot the little scrappy piece, so I'm just using the big piece that I had in there. Let's get rid of all of that. There's one. Everybody's gonna be yelling at me, telling me where the other stem is because I don't see it. He's probably on my shirt somewhere, right? Do not, oh, there he is. Found him. So let's move him over here. I know you guys are dying sometimes when I lose things in the car and I can't find them and you're like, it's right there. But I can't hear you. All right, let's stick this guy on while I'm here. I'm gonna go like this, and like this. We're gonna stick this on here. I stuck my big fat fingerprint right there. That's okay. Glue dot, glue dot, glue dot. So a pumpkin stem, so that, see how this, I'm gonna show you the picture, it'll be better. So the stem is here. I think you can see that, right? There's the stem. So the skinny part goes down for an apple. The fat part goes down for a pumpkin. I've seen some samples on Pinterest and stuff and I'm like, your stem is wrong. It makes me a little bit crazy. That's not how it goes. Oh, this glue dot doesn't want to fess up. All right, there's that guy. Let's get another one in here. One more, and then we'll throw our leaves in there. The other thing, when I did it in class, and I didn't bring it with today just because I thought it would be too messy to try to do in the car, is you can take the buffalo check background stamp, and we stamped it in Night of Navy in the background, and it was super, super cute. I really, really liked it. There we go. But this is okay. I like this too, so that's cute. I think that's all I got to put on there. Cute, right? And then of course you would do the inside. We're gonna pretend my inside is done today. But it's just been one of those days. I'm just glad that I was able to hop on for a few minutes with you guys and show you. But I think it's cute. And again, I think that check in the back, I'm gonna bring you up, so don't get too, because I see lots of people on. Hey guys, it's Linda and Beth. Beth, aren't you at work? And Brenda. So anyway, I will post this one and the one with the checks because it's really cute too later on for you guys. Super simple card, but that punch is so versatile, and we've been using it with the pumpkins for the past couple of weeks. I've done a lot with it, so I wanted to share some apples with you. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.